Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the second lecture of Get Your Duas Accepted, an Islamic guide to getting everything from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this lecture we will be discussing the two major types of dua. So let's start this lecture. There are two major types of dua. The first is dua of asking and the second is the dua of worship. Uh, Dua of asking. Dua in which the individual asks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may he be exalted, for that which will benefit him in this world and the hereafter, to ward off that which would harm him in this world and in the hereafter. So, in this dua, he may be asking for something that will benefit him in this world or will benefit him in the hereafter, or he will be asking for something that will cause harm. He will be asking to ward away something that is causing him harm in this world or may cause him harm in the hereafter. So, this is what we call the dua of asking. Second is dua of worship. Dua in which individual is worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by doing any kind of worship in the heart, in his physical action or in his financial actions. He may be remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in his heart. This is also the dua of worship. In his physical action, he may be praying or he may be fasting. So this is the dua of worship in physical form. He may be giving some charity, which is dua of worship in his financial actions. Worship is nothing but dua, and dua is nothing but worship. So there is a deeper connection when you understand dua. Basically, you are also understanding the concept of worship. So we'll